Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back here to show you how to open a demo account for people who live in America and Canada because ECA market is not support for them. It doesn't support them. And as you see here, I'm using here a VPN. My IP location here, I am in US. By the way, that's not our case. So when you're going to come here to that Wanda.com, as you see it here, Wanda.com, then you're going to scroll down or from here from menu. Go up for doesn't get confused. So when you're going to enter, you came to the menu. Tell me what I did. Let's go back, show you more. You're going to write Wanda.com. It's going to open for you like that. Then you came here to the menu. You came here to trading. As you see it, let me show you. You came first to the menu here. Then you came to the one here to trading. As you see it, it's delta in those things like that. Then you waiting. It's open for you. Then here you have two options to create the account to still using the demo account for some time, or let's create the account together, or let's using demo account. You click at the demo account here. As you see it, it's very easy, not something hard, or it just you need to follow the steps, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let's wait now because I'm using here a VPN, and it's making the internet too slow. So here we're choosing also we live in US because I'm using here a VPN. So here we're choosing that one. Username, we name it the same like that one. Okay, let's write in here. Create here a password, anything. Sorry, I forget even what I write. And I need to show you something here. When you came here, as you see here, down here in that place, what it tell you here, your password must contain, so it must have those things here. So your password must have those things here, as you see them. So you doing all those things here, you're writing, and then they told you, my friend. And here you need to enter your name. You need to enter your real data, by the way. And here you need to enter a phone number. It may get one, and I came back to you. Here we get in a number for my friend, as you see it like that. Then we click continue like that, because that one is just for education purpose, my friend. But when you are open it, you open with your real data. As you see now, we are going to it. I try to open it, but here in UK is not allow the tank or something. So it refused to open for me. That way I open it by using a VPN of America. Sorry for the delay. As you see, my friend, now we enter our data. As you see here, what they're telling us, we have now received all the necessary information we need from you. You can begin trading with one of the following options. And here, as you see it, it saved that thing. Then you're going to come to the down one here, that one. Then you download it like that. It's not something too hard to do it. Here it is. Then, as you see, my friend, it's download now. Actually, I downloaded twice. Here and here. Now, let's set it up and see. Then you came here to Wanda for setup. Then you click at it. As you see, execute. Mine is it with French, sorry. Because as you know, French is my first language. Then it's going to open for you. As you see now, MetaTrader 4 is installing. And is it available for Mac and it's working in both Mac and Windows. So you finish like that, as you see, my friend. Then you got the application is installed in your laptop. Then you open it like that, and you need to go back here. You wait it to get open. After you download the MT4, you install it, as you see it here. So now we need to be connected. As you see here, no connection. So to get connected, we came here to OANDA. Same how we enter in the first. You click at the menu like that. You came to trading, like that one. I'm just going to show you how to manage your account in the future. Then you came here to sync in. Because mine is still the same IP, so then they recognize me. Then it's going to enter directly to that account, but you need to remember the password and the login. Then you're going to enter inside. So now I'm going to show you how to get the password and the login. Because to use MT4, you need the password and the login. So let's doing that together. Let's wait in that one because as you know, here you came to add account. You see here to that one. Then you waited to open. Then you came here. You choose here that V20 MetaTrader 4. You choose here a password. The password of you. Another. The same password here. As you see, the same password of you repeat it twice. And here you choose anything. Let's right here. Here you choose the currency. As I told you. Leverage in Rwanda is only 1 to 50. Then you make here. Save. As you see here. V20 account. That the login. That the number. And the password is going to stay the same of you. I think everything is too clear till now, my friend. So now let's go in and get connected. So we copy that one. We copy that login. Like that. Then you came here to the account. If you don't see that one, you just came here in the top. It's going to be like that. You click at that one. Sorry, let me show it to you. At that one here. That one. You click at it to show you where to log. Like that. Then you came to account. You click at it. Right click of the mouse. Then you came log in to trading account. Like that. Then you put here the login. You put here your password. Let's go back to see the server. Server Oanda demo 1 as you see it. Then we came here. As you see it here, it's getting open, my friend. To know it's getting open, look here, down here. You see the connection. And it makes to you that noise training. Sorry, I try to explain like that for the picture to be more clear, my friend. So, as you see here in that zone, demo, Oanda demo. So everything is too clear. Nothing hard, nothing complicated till now. Now, as you see here, the balance of us is 0. You need to go back here. And to put money in it, you came here to that account. You choose it from here. Sorry, you choose here from the deposit here. You click at it like that. You choose it like that. Let's put in here 1000. Then you put process. Sorry, you came to the first one because it's too slow for me, but you know the idea here. Then you do it like that process, as you see it. Now you got here the money. Now you're going to go here to your account. As you see here, you got the money here. I think everything is too clear till now. So now let's closing those ones and closing that one. And let's open any one of those ones. Sorry. Like that. Let's get out of those ones. And you came here, customize. Let's choosing that one here. You forget about those things. You the most important to learn what else we do in here. And you came here in the middle of that one. You click right click like that. Right click of the mouse. And you came here. You change in the background. You leave it black. That one you change it maybe to gray like that. Grid you leave it the same. Bar up green. Bar down red. Bull candles you give it green. And the bears candles you give it red. That's it, as you see it. Then you came here, right click again, right click like that. That grid, you're going to find it here. You deselect it, or using only Control G in the Windows, Command G in the Mac. I think everything is too clear till now. Then you're going to come here again to view. That one is active. You came to that one, is active like that. So like that, my friend, you got an account. It's already open. I think everything is too clear till now. So now how to add the indicators also we give you. You came here, came first to file, that one here, like that. Then you came to that one. Sorry, let me show it to you. That one, open data folder. Then you click at it like that by the mouse. It's going to open for you that folder here. Then you're going to come to that one, that MQL, that one, that folder. Then you're going to open it like that. You find here expert all those things. You came in the indicators. You open them like that. Then you're going to have the folder you download from the bonus section. The indicators is going to be like that. One folder indicator, another one template. You came to indicators like that one. Select all of them by the mouse or using Control E in Windows and Command A in Mac. Then right click like that, copy, or Control C to copy them. Then you came here, anywhere, somewhere here, you paste like that. So now you have your indicators, they are installed here. You close that one, and that folder, we're going to use it again. I will show you when. Then you came here, sorry, stay like that for doesn't get confused a lot. Then you came to that one, as we tell it to you in the first, that one here, as you see it. You came to it, you click at it like that. Then you're going to come here to that one, what is name, indicators, that one here, as you see it. Then you came to that small plus here, you click at it like that, or you click at the indicator. At any one of those ones, you just click at it like that, and the right click of your mouse like that, and you came to that option here. We said refresh, that one, sorry, that one here. You came to that refresh, that one. Then you click at it. Sorry, let's go back again. like that. Refresh. As you see it. Now our indicators, they are installed here. We go back again to the same process. You came here, File, open data folder. In the first, when you open it, you came here to that one. Template or templates or anything. Then you're going to come back to that folder. That one you're going to get. You go back here to the template. Now one, you copy it like that. Just copy as I told you, Control or something. Then you came to the template. Somewhere here, you paste it. That one now we don't need it anymore. Now we close it. Then you came to do that one here. That one. So when you came to it, you click at it like that. It's going to open for you like that. As you see it is here. You click at it like that. Here it is. Everything in front of you. In the first, it will not work for you. So you need to go to M5 like that. You actualize it like that. So everything is working for you, my friend. I think everything is too clear. And by the way, if you found the tutorials is too nice, give the course a 5-star. I think that's it, my friends. Everything is too clear. So see you in the next lecture, my friend. Bye for now.